You guys don't notice who I got right here. I got Miss Junebug over here. Now, Miss Junebug's been missing you. She's normally looking around for where you guys are at. I think she's kind of given up for a little while, but she's like, I wish I could see my friends, but I gotta tell you guys a cool story with Juno. She wanted to tell me. So she went outside, and she kind of has wet paws right now because it's raining a little bit outside. And she had all those wet paws, and when she was out there, what happened? Oh, she ran into a buddy, and her and the other buddy were like running around, and Juno loves to try to grab dogs from behind and like grab them, and she was pushing over the dog, and they were wrestling all over, and Juno wanted to tell you about that. She normally tells you about these things, but she can't because you guys aren't here. So just so you know, Juno, she's been feeling a little misplaced. She's like, I miss all my kiddos, right? She's like, oh, are we going somewhere? Are we going? She's like, I wish they would show up right now. She says, we're talking to no one right now. She says, who are we talking to? She says, but I hope all my friends are knowing what we're talking about. Is that right? She says, I miss you all. She misses you. But I'm going to send her on her way. Are you ready, my girl? There you go. There you go. The white girl. Oh, she's going to be right on over here. So, but I know that was a fun little break, but we got Mrs. Ragsdale. She said she needed me to be her prop in her new thing that she's doing. So I'm going to let Mrs. Ragsdale take over. I heard we're doing something with the equal sign. Oh, all right. Let's see what this is about.
Mrs. Smith. So normally in class we have a lot of balances, but they keep getting broken. Even without you guys here, the balances are broken. So guess what? I asked Mrs. Smith if she'd be our balance today. And balance, when we're talking about balancing today, we're going to be talking about this. Equal. And Mrs. Smith is going to be assigned today.
Where are you going to put that?
Right there.
What? What? Oh, I got my nice little equal sign. Do I look good with a mustache, guys?
Mrs. Smith is an
Do
equal
I
sign
look
today.
good with a nice mustache on? I feel like this could be my new thing. Guys might be getting a teacher with a mustache.
So Mrs. Smith is going to be our balance, and we're going to be talking about equals because we see equations such as 2 plus 2. Can we figure that out? Let's take a look here. We're going to, Mrs. Smith, we got to find 2 plus 2 equals to balance. Let's give her 2 over here. Let's give her 2 more. What's happening? Oh, Mrs. Smith, don't fall off the stool. We're going to give her 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Whoops.
Oh, gotta go back over.
And 4. Now is she balanced? Is she balanced? She equals. Mrs. Smith right now equals because 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, so sometimes we're used to seeing problems this, 2 plus 2 equals 4. But we might start seeing where the equal sign, the balance, is over here. And then we have like a question mark, and we have a plus, and we have a 2. We might start seeing some of those. So let's take a look here with Mrs. Smith. I'm going to take these all away from Mrs. Smith. We're going to try this the other way. So we have, oops, I'm out of the picture. So we have our 4, and I'm just going to hand them to her right here. And what's going to happen to Mrs. Smith? Well, I'm going to come over here because 4 equals. We need to balance. She needs to balance. We need to have one number and it's 2. So let's put 2 over here. Oh, she's kind of starting to balance, but she's not equal. She's not balancing yet. So let's take a look. We got 2, 3, and 4. Now is she equal? Is she balanced? You bet. We just gave Mrs. Smith 2 of those cubes. 2, dot 3, another dot, Mrs. Smith, 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, let's try another one. Let's take...
I give my arms a rest. It's hard being a scale over here.
She's doing a good
That
job.
was
Round of
so
applause.
heavy.
Mrs. Smith is doing a great job.
Juno over here is mooching over here. You know why she's sitting over here? You guys know she's right over here by my feet because she wants a treat. Our little June bug is a really big bagger. Do you have a dog that begs at your house? Ooh, Mrs. Ragstill's getting the next one ready. Here we go. Yes, you want a treat, I know. But dude, do you guys like my chin? I feel like this is a great mustache for me. Let me know if you think I should keep this mustache. I think it's just the right thing for me.
Let's try another one this way. Let's go 3 plus question mark. We're gonna figure this out with Mrs. Smith as our balance. 3 plus what equals? How about 5? We gotta balance out. So let's start over here with our 5. We're gonna give Mrs. Smith 5. We got 5 over here. So there is our 5. Now what happens to Mrs. Smith? Is she gonna be balanced if she has nothing over there? Nope.
I forgot about my job. Sorry, guys. Now I'm back to work.
Let's give her 3 because we know we have 3 right here. So we're just gonna give her 3. Is she balanced? Oh, she's starting to, but she's not quite balanced. So how many more do we need to give her so that she is balanced? So this is equal. Let's see, we got 3, 4, 5. And now she is equal. We gave her 2. So 3, 4, 5. And now she's equal. Well, let's try this one more way. Here. Because we're pretty used to seeing. Do you want to give your arms a rest there for a second?
I don't know. This is a challenging job we got over here. I'm sure having to work a whole bunch.
We're used to seeing our problems written out just like this. We're used to solving problems, but what's going to happen when we start seeing problems like 10 equals, erase that.
Ooh, these are getting tricky. I
These
hope
are
you
getting
guys got your
tricky.
math brains on because this is where math gets a lot trickier over here. And my mustache gets even better and better and better. I guess it's not a mustache, it's a mustache would be over your mouth.
You can see
Said I got a nice goatee. Nice goatee, maybe.
So we have 10. We have a missing number plus 7. We need this to equal. Mrs. Smith, she's going to need to equal. So we got 5. I'm going to give her 5 right here. I guess they don't have to be the same color, but.
Our cool Unifix cubes.
And now she has 10. So we need to figure out how we are going to make her balance. She needs to equal. Now this one's a little tricky because we're used to seeing the equation equals the number, but now we see a number equals a missing number and then plus 7. So the equation this time is on this side. So we have to think through this to figure out how to solve this. So let's go. Okay, she's got 10. We have 7. Let's give her 7. 4. There's 7. So what are we going to have to do to make Mrs. Smith balance? How many more are we going to have to give her so that these two sides of this problem equal one another?
How do we make me like this? I'm not there yet.
Let's go 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to give Mrs. Smith, let's try it. Let's see if it works. 7, 8, 9, 10. Is she balanced? Is she equal?
Did a
She's
good
equal.
job, Mrs.
Did
Ragstall.
a good job, Mrs. Smith.
You got Juno. I don't know if she's in the picture, but she's over here begging. Sorry, Juno, these Unifix cubes are not treats. Okay, would you like to try one? No, she doesn't want one.
So the equal sign is, see, now we have 10, and then we have our 3 plus 7, well, that's 10. So that's showing that it's balanced. What's on this side? Equals is the same as what's on this side. You see that? Let's do one more. One more before
Goody. Oh, this is hard carrying all this stuff. Wow.
Let's do one more where the number starts, where the answer, or at least is how we're used to seeing it. So our number's right here, and now we got our equal sign, and now this side needs to equal or balance this. So like 9 equals 9. So we gotta balance this. And I'll give you a part of the problem. We have 5 plus question mark. So let's give Mrs. Smith 9.
I think I can handle one more time. I think I can,
Last
class.
one.
Think I can. I don't know. It's really challenging. I feel like I'm getting my muscles built up over here.
We're giving her 9. She's a 9 right over here. And we're gonna come over here. So we want this 9 equals 9. We gotta figure this out, and we have 5. So let's give her 5. 4. So we're gonna give her 5, and here she goes. But she's not quite all the way. We gotta help her out. We gotta help her out. She's gotta be equal. She's gotta be equal. So let's go 5, 6. I'm gonna draw dots because we're gonna draw dots on this. So we got 5, 6. Give her 1. 7. 8. Oops, what do you think? We're almost there. 9. Let's see what happens if I give her this last one. We added 4 more. So it's 9. 9 equals 5 plus 4, or 5 plus 4 is 9. So they now balance. Those two sides are balanced. They are equal. They might not look different. 9 does not look the same as the 5 plus 4, but the number's the same. They balance. They are equal. So we're gonna spend some time with equal. And down the road, when you get into algebra and stuff, this equal sign is gonna be pretty significant. We're gonna be solving to make things equal quite a bit. So
Think I can keep my goatee on all day long? I still think it's gonna be my new way. I'm gonna be going on it.
okay.
Man. What is this over here? We have Sneaky Sam. He is the number snatcher. Wow, we're gonna hear about something really cool with Sneaky Sam. Are you guys ready?
Sam. Here we go. We have some directions here. In this packet, you can make a mask. And your packet's gonna come with 2 masks. We've already made one. Here's my mask.
Oh, this is Ragnville! Look at you!
Oh, I'm Sneaky Sam.
Wow, it's got my favorite colors on there. Pink, purple, and my next favorite color is blue. Oh.
And I'm gonna sing this song. Friends at home, I want you guys to make these masks and sing this song too, because we're Sneaky Sam. And we have some missing numbers and they need to equal. So we gotta solve this. Here comes the song. Number snatcher, who are you? You stole one of our numbers. What do we do? Number snatcher, you can't fool us. We can solve the problem. It'll be no fuss. What do you think? Am I a good number snatcher?
So as you do this packet, you can get out your number snatcher. Now, if you don't have these things that we have right here, you can always just use a little stick to attach it to. So you can always get a little stick right there. But we're going to be number snatchers. Oh, my. Oh, right, Mrs. Ragsdale.
Right. So this is kind of like what we did on the board, friends. We have a 5 plus, and we have that missing number and that 8. So we solved. Because these two sides of this equation with that equal, they need to equal the same. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're drawing the dots. So here we have 6, and we have our equal sign. And then we have plus 2, and we had a missing number, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the number. So let's solve a couple over here. We'll find the missing number. Well, let's start right here with this one, then we'll move down to this one. We've got 5 plus what? We've got a missing number equals 10, okay? So we got 5. Let's draw dots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many dots did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my missing number, and that's missing number caper. Let's
Gotta
move
do it with
down
your number
this
snatcher
one.
glasses on.
Let's move down to this one. We have 2 plus. We've got a missing number. It's 7. So let's count up. We got 2. Let's draw dots. I'm going to put them up here this time so I have more room. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the missing number.
This is right, so this one kind of looks crazy over there. What's up happening with that one?
This one's tough. We got 9 plus our missing number equals 9. So we need to find a balance. So if I have 9 on this side and I have 9 over here, how many more do I need to add to balance? 9 and 9. I don't have to add any. 0? What's that number? 0, because I'm already balanced. So 9 plus 0 equals 9, because I'm already balanced.
Already balanced. Look at that.
Sides equal. So we will work through all the way.
You're going to go all the way and do all these. And the very last one you're going to take a picture of is this one that has the Q, R, S, and T. This is the one you're going to take a picture of. And you're going to be seeing it. So when you get right here, once you start getting to where it's more like this is where you stop. So just go all the way to T and stop right there. Let's see. Can you do it with your number snatchers on?
Number snatcher, who are you?
All right. We'll see you later.